In this demonstration, we will create a discovery job. From the customer or site level, go to Configuration and click Asset Discovery. Then select Discovery Jobs. Click Add. Enter a name and description for the discovery job. On the Devices to Discover tab, select the customer. Ensure the registration token is valid, and review the default probe. To select a different probe, click the drop-down and select from the options. Select the discovery type and enter the IP range or the IP address and net mask. Specify the IP address of the target network, followed by the end value range. The probe scans the entire subnet. To add macOS or Linux credentials, click Add New Account and follow the prompts. Open the Auto Import tab. Review the default list of assigned device classes and the devices for agent install, and use the arrows to add or remove a class. Open the Notifications tab. Select if recipients should be notified on success or failure, and select recipients from the list. In this example, we will not send a notification. Open the SNMP Settings tab. SNMP Discovery requires SNMP version 3. Click Add SNMP Credential, and select version 3 from the drop-down to add the profile details. Click OK. Open the Advanced Settings tab. It is optional to select Backup Exec Discovery or Assigra Discovery. If selected, enter the credentials. Discovery tagging is selected by default and sets a flag on a device during initial discovery. If a device is moved, it appears in the new location in End Central as a duplicate device, but will not count towards the number of unmanaged devices at that location. To perform virtualization discovery, open the VMware Settings tab. Select the ports, click Add New Account, and enter user credentials. Open the Schedule tab. Select if the discovery job should happen now or be recurring. Enter the start time and days of the week. When configuring the schedule, if you select a day of the week and specific days of the month, the discovery job will run on both sets of criteria. For example, if you set the schedule to run on Fridays and the 10th and 20th of the month, the discovery jobs will run every Friday as well as on the 10th and 20th of the month. Click Finish. Once the discovery job is complete, go to Asset Discovery and click Discovered Assets to view the results of the scan. A device class of Other indicates additional asset information is required. Select the device class and operating system, and click OK. Click Import to add the device, select Install Agents, and click OK. The device appears on all devices and can be managed.